Unique opportunity to own a four-season hotel and spa in the heart of the famous Chautauqua institution and only steps from beautiful Chautauqua Lake. The historic Spencer Hotel was built by Mrs. Ensign in 1909. After purchasing the hotel in 1997, it became the current owner's retirement project, when she undertook major renovations to update while maintaining the historic nature of the building. Today, this hotel offers an extraordinary stay experience. Each of the 25 rooms or suites feature a different author with room decorations appropriate for the theme. Some examples include Jane Austen, Beatrix Potter, John Keats, William Shakespeare, Jules Verne, and C.S. Lewis. There are several common areas for guests to enjoy, including the living room, dining room, spa with sauna, reading room and, of course, the wonderful porches and gardens. Named to the Select Registry Bed and Breakfast Collection and recognized as an historic landmark hotel by the National Park Service, the Spencer offers a fantastic opportunity to spend your summers in Chautauqua and carry on the tradition of the Spencer, or to create your own Chautauqua experience here in the heart of it all.